tangy and spicy simple chutney recipe, and this post is inspired from the South Indian mango chutney. Firstly, in a kadai heat oil. Add 1 tablespoon urad dal, tablespoon channa dal, a quarter teaspoon methi and 3 to 4 chillies. Roast in low flame for 2 minutes or till the spices turn aromatic. Transfer to the blender and blend the dry spices. Then add in 1 cup raw mango, 3 to 4 cloves garlic, half tablespoon of jeera and salt to taste. Blend partially without adding any water. Keep aside. Now heat oil in the same kadai. Once the oil is hot, add in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 dried red chilli, few curry leaves and turmeric. Allow to splutter. Further add prepared mango chutney. Saute on low flame for 2 minutes. Finally, serve raw mango chutney along with rice, idli or dosa.